Okay, everyone. So, thank you for passing by my channel. This is just a little tutorial or update on what I'm doing. I was altering this jewelry box for sale. It was a lovely little piece. I totally loved it. And I wanted to do an ombre, sort of like a blend right here. And I did the stripes, I put the mold, and it was going to be sort of this simple two-tone jewelry box, and it turned out to be totally different. For some reason it didn't want to work out, so I thought, let's just dry brush it. I'm here putting a little chalk paint on it and seeing if I can just give it this sort of old patina style. Right here I have the paper that I put. Everything was going fine until it just didn't work out. So I'm just going to try to give it that old patina style. Here are the paper that I put. And just give it some white dry brush and just see what it does. Best thing you can do when you have a piece like that it's just like not working out, play with it. If it's not working out, just don't scratch it, just play with it, and that's the best fun you can have. I tried, but just didn't work out, so still in the process. I'm going to see if I can give it some more dry brush. This is the back of it. Love this paper, just love the way it came out with the paper. Here's a little bit more of the paper there and there, and this is here. The drawer, I'm in love with this little drawer. In love with this little drawer. Okay, gotta clean that up here. You didn't see that. Hide. So, just really love it, love it. But I have no idea what to do with it. So, I'm just gonna play around with it, see what else I can do. And if you have any suggestions, just leave a comment down below. Tell me what you would do with it, and tell me if it's coming out okay. Maybe I should have left it the way it was. Maybe I'm just being too critical. How many of you out there actually are your own worst critic? And see what I can do. See, every time I look at it, there's something different. Yes. So let's see what happens. I'm liking how it's turning out. Love it in a way. And let's see what happens. So just wanted to update everyone on this jewelry box that I'm doing here. Please don't mind the mess. And see how it goes. Thank you so much, guys. Once it's done, I'll give an update on it. I'll put a picture up and let me know. And if anyone wants a tutorial from beginning to end with an actual thought process behind it, please let me know also in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to stop by my Instagram. It'll be in the description box below. And if you want more details on it, again, please let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.